Hello friends and hello student. My name is Ashok Sijala. In this session, we learn the toggle case in string program in C language. So first I share my laptop screen and fix the position here so you can watch better way my video lecture. And here Turbo C++, I double click and take some process, and now that is open. Alt F file menu, taking new file, and here our goal, write a program to enter one string and print it in, we can say that, or print it into toggle case. What is a toggle case? Yes, so I think you have to know very well. So toggle case means like word, so uppercase in lowercase and lowercase in uppercase, both we have to mixing, that is known as toggle case. So first I can give one example. So what is input? So like this is a pen. So here the output just in reverse means uppercase converting lowercase. So this is a upper, so converting lower, and HIS, that capital. I is small and S is capital. A is small and P is small and EN, that capital. So that is our output. So yes, any definition you have to find the what is input and process and what is output. So here we can just give the idea input output. So what is a process? So how to convert upper to lower? So my previous one video lecture, I already take the lower string convert into uppercase and upper string convert into the lower case. But here is a mixing. So at the same time, we can use toggle case, means upper to lower, lower to upper. So I can take this video lecture. So now I give multi-comment line. So yes, but I single, but now I multi-comment line because we have to use as yes, that is first your reference. And now we can start our process logic. So yes, that is our header file include standard input and console input output, and that we can use also. First there are two logic. So first we can use inbuilt function, and that require the ctype.h header file, and now that is void main, and that we can take this first character, that is a string, and that we can take one integer and clear the screen. So first we can scan the one string from user. So enter one string, and that is a mixing form. Yes, here you can also enter one string with upper and lower case both. So user can upper and lower case both you have to enter. So then we can convert in the toggle case. So now that we can take as logic, so I equal to 0, and string of that, every string you have to know very well, that terminate with null value. So here we can not equal to, so that number of time for loop is repetition. And now we can take as if else ladder. So else if ladder, we can say that. So str of that is I, and that we can take as a ASCII code, or that is two possibility. You can give in single quote capital A and logical and then str of I less than or equal to 9. So that is a capital A to Z, and then we can str of I, yes, and that first we can use two lower case. So uppercase convert in the lower case. So we can pass, and then else if and that str of greater than 97 and str of less than equal to 122. So that is str. So that is two upper and that is we have to convert. So that perfectly is that I think we can use to upper and to lower both inbuilt function, and now that string I can print. So the string is toggle case is, yes, toggle case is percentage s, and that is str, and that gets here. So it is our first technique. So here I provide two technique how to convert upper to lower and lower to upper. So that is a toggle case. Yes, so I give already one example. So here we can say that str and toggle. So yes, that maximum 8 character. So yes, so that perfectly 8 string toggle. So I compile, yes, one warning. So that is yes not equal to, yes, that is remaining. So now perfectly no any error, no warning. So here I give the same, just this is, so yes, I a and p capital. So let us check this. So that our same our output, that is our requirement. Yes, so h is capital. Now converting the lower, uh, t is capital and lower, h is small, and is that all small, that capital. I is capital small, s is capital, a is capital to small, p is capital to small, en is small to capital. So that is a toggle case, reverse order, vice versa. We can say that lower case convert into upper case and upper case convert into the lower case, same at a time. So previous my video lecture, I can take all uppercase to lowercase and lowercase to an uppercase. But that is a now our definition, and that is toggle case. This is example. So yes, here we can also change that to means here you have to know our ASCII code is. So we can also use the character. So in single quote, capital Z, and here that is small a and small set. Yes, that is also perfectly work. So let us check. So this is a a is capital, and we can say that computer. So I can give some mixing upper lower. So look now, that is all upper to lower and lower to upper. So that is a toggle case. Yes, and second, so now we can also provide the, that is we can use inbuilt function to upper and to lower. Now we can apply to our own logic. So what to do? So that is a same, you have to know previously I can use. So here I can move this to upper, and that is str of, so when upper to lower, so that is a plus 32. Yes, ASCII code. And here just I remove, and that is you have to minus 32. So that is why we can use as 32 that ASCII code. So yes, you have to know, I already previous my video lecture, capital A to Z. So that is a 90, and 65 and 90. Yes, and then small a to z. So that is a ASCII code is a 97, and that 122. So 90 and 122 gap is 32. Yes, you have to let us check here. I minus 92. So what is the answer? 32. And you can plus yes, 97 and 32. So that is answer 122. So yeah, just look here. So when we can convert upper to uh, lower, so that plus 32, because that ASCII code is 90 plus 32, so that is 122. And when we can convert lower case to upper case, so we can minus 32. So because that is a 122 and minus 90, so that is a answer is 32. Or we can say that yes, here we can minus 32, so that is the answer is a 90. Yes, that is also we can say that. So that I think you have to understand what I am saying and what is a perfectly our logic. So we cannot just saying that same to upper and lower case is work. So we can apply to ourselves own logic. So when that small ASCII code, so minus 32 gives our capital A, that is capital A ASCII code, means last capital Z 90, and here plus 32, so that provide the small A character that small Z that ASCII code. So that is our requirement. Yes, so that is I give uh, comment line. So that is for your reference. So now I think let us check that our logic is work or not. So let us check. I previously our example. So that is a capital A and pen. Yes. Let us check. Yes, that perfectly. So we can also apply two logic different. So that is our own logic. So we cannot use in this case any inbuilt function. So when you can plus 32, so that uppercase convert into the lowercase, and then minus 32, so that the small to uppercase, so that convert. So that is the same if else if ladder logic. And no use the ctype.h. Yes, you can also use, there is no problem. But there are two techniques I provide. So you can also use two upper and two lower, that inbuilt function ctype dot, that is a header file, and we can also apply to our own logic. So that is a toggle case. Now I think you have to understand. So yes, very simple and very interesting. What is a toggle case? Some student not getting the idea, so I can give this definition in my YouTube channel. So write this program to your C notebook if you prepare. Very interesting and with very simple. I provide two techniques how to provide one string in toggle case, upper to lower and lower to upper. So now I close Alt F3 function key and quit. So subscribe my channel Ashok Jalapani, press the bell icon to never miss any update. Thanks for your watching, supporting and sharing my video lecture, and Hare Krishna.